Ndị be anyị na Bọlachi, anyị sị ka ọ dịrị unu na mma, anyị sị ka nke onye chikwelu ya zelụ. Dịka o si dị, ya bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si bịa na uhuruchi nketa iwetara unu ya bụ ozi gbasata maka ihe na-eme na the Old Eastern Region. Dịka unu anụ ka o si ada, nwanne anyị nwoke wetara anyị ozi n'elu akwụkwọ. Good news to Biafran Prime Minister Mazi Simon Ekpa. As UNHCR give strong warning to Finland government, you should not violate international agreement by restricting the right of self-determination. Hear the news in details. All right, according to one night with update, no with good news and a very big hope to Mazi Simon Ekpa, both the Biafran Prime Minister na Finland, some of the world. All right, before over to you, sir.
The pressure keep mounting. Finland government, they are under heavy pressure. Last time I did a video concerning how the international communities are, voicing out on the way the Finnish government are handling the, human rights violation and all that. Now, the UNHCR, which is a United Nations High Commission for Human Rights and Refugees, have come out to issue a statement, a joint statement, which you are seeing right here. They said Finland should not violate international agreement by restricting the rights of people in need of protection, people that are running for persecution, people that are running for their life, people that are seeking for freedom of speech, the right for existence. So they've released this statement regarding the way Finland are handling the issues of human rights right now. I just said before that Finland is one of the countries that respect human rights. It's one of the countries that welcome people. But recently, they have changed their policies and they are now tightening and doing some kind of things like restriction on human rights violation and people running for their lives and all that. Now, like I said, Finland has a long-standing tradition of welcoming like asylum seekers, refugees, and has served as an example in adhering to international refugee and human rights law and defending the international system of rule of law. Now, diverting from this, including in a situation of emergencies, will not only be contrary to international and European law, but also create a dangerous precedent. Now, the Finland government, they are in a very serious situation. What I mean, they are in a tight situation right now. It's not only about Mazi Simon Ekpa's case. Like I said before in my previous video, the world are watching. International communities are watching. And because we have raised this issue, like Biafrans in diaspora, we have raised this issue of the way the Finland court or government, are handling the issue of our prime minister. We have complained about it. We have sent some kind of like letter to some of the organization concerning this issue of our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, the way they detain him, they arrest him, and the way they are charging him to court at this moment in time. We have explained this to international communities. They picked interest on that because Simon Ekpa is a freedom fighter who has not, committed himself in anything terrorism or has no connection to do with terrorists or whatever. Now, the Finnish government I keep saying it and I keep using this word because of their selfish interest, what they will be gaining from Nigerian government. They now agree with Nigerian government to try Simon Ekpa, to charge him for terrorism, which Finland government knows that they are not. That means Simon Ekpa is not a terrorist leader or has no link to anything terrorism. And as well, the Nigerian government last time were coming out, which they later debunk and change, that they are seeking for the extradition of Simon Ekpa, which they've seen that that one is not possible. It's not going to happen. There's no way to happen. Even though some Nigerian medias, Nigeria YouTubers were carrying it, Simon Ekpa will be extradited to Nigeria, which is not possible. And that's what this organization are saying as well, that Finland should not violate international agreement by restricting the right of people who are running for their lives. Simon Ekpa is a freedom fighter who is advocating for the right of Biafrans that has been marginalized in Nigeria. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa was doing the right thing, advocating for the freedom of Biafrans. And I keep saying this all the time, which is the estimation of Biafrans by so-called Nigerian military personnel or army in Biafra land. And this thing has been going on for ages. So now, Simon Ekpa, they are charging for terrorism, which they know that Simon Ekpa has no link or has nothing to do with terrorism. But they are charging him because of the information, fake news, fake whatever they got from the Nigerian government, which are the pre-trial of our leader, Mazi Simon Ekpa. The Finnish court has questioned that evidences that was produced by the Nigerian government. The lawyer questioned the authenticity of that information that the Nigerian government provided based on the accusation that Simon Ekpa is a terrorist or has a terrorist link, or he has committed terrorism, which wasn't the case. So people, again, I want to say this because I said it last time. Up to today, the Nigerian media vloggers are carrying it, everything, saying, talking rubbish. You go to the social media today, Facebook, Instagram, all that social media, you will see a lot of people talking, yarning what they don't know, talking about what they're not aware of, saying things that is not true without, proper verification. But the truth is there, and everything will come out. And this is what we keep saying all the time.
Ngwanụ daalụ nne nụ ụmụnne m dịka unu si na-esoro anyị n'Igbo Media. Gịnị ka unu nwere ikwu na nkọwa nke unu gbasịta maka ihe unu nọ n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa? Gwa anyị ife iche n'ụdị nke gị, deela ya n'akara kọmentị ka mara ihe i chere, ma chetakwa tụsa ya bụ ozi ka o wereta ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Ndewo na ụmụnne m, ka emesịanụ.